The cost of the graphite electrodes amounts greater proportion in the final value of the finished product. The aim is to get the efficiency of the evaporative cooling method in reducing the amount of the graphite electrodes used in electric arc furnaces. When melting metal in electric arc furnaces, some of the most expensive consumable materials are the graphite electrodes. The expenditures on them amount up to 30% of the total cost of the finished metal output. While their share in the prime cost of the foundry alloys is higher than the share of the consumed electric energy. There is a well-known way of reducing the used amount of the electrodes by evaporative cooling. This method is considered to be the most promising and is used in powerful arc furnaces. The water control takes place by means of a pressure regulator and valves. Water can be continuously sprayed up or down onto the outer periphery of a graphite electrode. It is estimated that the use of the evaporative cooling in arc electric furnaces with the capacity of 0.5 to 25 tons decreases the temperature of the graphite electrode mostly in its upper area. Which results in the less amount of the used graphite electrodes due to the less oxidation of their side surface and the thermomechanical fracture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.